It will be about shifting focus when you are too intrigued by a problem. That will be the topic of today's talk, right? So, when you are intrigued by a problem and you are not able to find a solution, you think that nothing is in your control, you can do nothing about this particular problem. How many times this kind of situation happens in your life? Many times, right? And nowadays it has increased. Now, when there is nothing, no solution possible, there is a way out, always. No? What we do is we ignore kind of those solutions. Those are so small and it takes a bit of effort to find that solution and work on that. And it takes out one from the comfort zone, which is why we do not like to think about those problems, those solutions. Sorry. But there is always a solution there around somewhere which we can take advantage of. For example, um, what kind of problem? Like say how suppose there is no solutions, nothing you can see. What you will do? You will just continue with whatever best is available around you, right? Say take the problem of finding a job. Suppose you are very frustrated in a job. Now it is COVID time. Can you get an alternative? Whatever you are getting, and as it is, the economy is down. So whatever you are having already, you will continue with that, right? For me, I have several opportunities during this COVID time as only. So how that has happened. It has not happened just by chance, you know. It has happened because there were 3 4 years of frustration earlier when I was investing in creating these opportunities sometime in my life. I'll tell you that about 4 years back I came to Delhi. Before that, I was working in very remote places of India. So, those places I had chosen, those were according to my choice only. So, whatever problem were there, sorry, I was uh, I was reconciling with those problems. But when I came to Delhi, I had limited kind of choices. But and because I had limited choices, actually I kind of had to adjust with whatever choices were available, right? So back then, actually, I invested in whatever solutions were available with me. I had two organizations. W- One organization which was paying less, and but because I had just shifted to Delhi, I had to take some assignments, so I took it. And actually, I did a good job out of that. I gave all my all, whatever way I thought. I just contributed. It was a new portfolio for me, and several simultaneous works were going on. So I did my best to give to each of them. So one assignment over, I took over another assignment, and I didn't care what time it is, and I did my best. Um, after office hour also I was working so that several assignments will meet their deadline. Sorry about that. So that was the investment I was doing. But shortly after, I actually got a better offer in another organization, the organization where I'm still working, and it was a good hike over the last one, and uh, I got my portfolio. But here again, it was again a very different kind of work. So I had to learn the work and learn the processes of this organization, and uh, I had to start any right, start afresh, and entirely a different kind of portfolio I had. So here actually I started two things about which I am a person of livelihood background. I have worked with women and tribal people and farmers all along, and I have formed my own teams in field, and that is how actually I did my work. So here it is mainly policy based. We had to work with several regulators, and it is an entirely different kind of work. We don't do implementation at all. We only do the facilitation work. So it is much different than what I had earlier done. So this way, this is a different kind of work. So initially, when I started doing, you don't do it well, right? Even if I was a very senior person, but since I was learning it from the scratch, so I had been kind of criticized in several ways. So I had a kind of dilemma whether to continue out here or to go back to that earlier position where I'll go for a lower salary, but it was like say it was my own comfort zone. So if that kind of situation happens to you, what will you do? Just think over it. If you uh, if you invest time in giving your best to learn something, then it will take you in an upper core, right? It will be a steep upper core. But if you just because of all this criticism you want to go back to that particular the previous one, then again you will be back to square one, right? So it is your choice, as simple as that. So when you are struggling with the new kind of portfolio, it is not a very pleasant kind of experience. People will not respect you, people will try to ignore you. You will not be given credit for anything that you do. Even if you do something very good, they will be like say kind of very hesitant to appreciate your effort. Things will go on like this. But after some time, what happened? Because I was doing a concerted work, all the projects and all the facilities came during COVID time only. And my portfolio increased to about 30 crores. All the projects that this organization got, majority of them were in my portfolio only. So now I command a different kind of respect. So you will say, when I discuss this, you will say that it because it is you could do, not everybody will be able to do. See, everybody will be able to do with a little shift in mindset, right? That little shift we can actually practice under this performance optimization course. This is why i I have created this course, because you shift your focus to something very constructive. Don't bother yourself with that negative attitude all the time, and you will focus on your dream, the ultimate dream that you have. So when you have that focus, your vision, focus on your vision, you will not be distracted by the comments that people will make, the attitude people will show for you. But it is not easy for others to emulate whatever I am saying. But people can practice. If you practice and practice, and that slow, that small hand holding that is required while practicing this, that will be here within this scope of this course, right? That is why this course is very essential. It is very doable, anybody can do, and it is so small, so subtle shift in your mindset, in your action, your habit, your perception, your entire perception will change, that uh, people are likely to miss whatever I'm saying. So far, you must have read, gone through very, very good kind of performance development techniques and approaches. But why you haven't kind of oriented with that kind of whatever you have learned? You couldn't do because there was no hand holding. There was no practical guidance for you as to what you will do under this particular kind of circumstance, right? That is one. And the second thing is, there is a requirement to upgrade your skills. Like, you have to look beyond your immediate job. You have to develop whatever is whatever you love to do. That portfolio has to go parallelly along with whatever you are doing, whatever your job is. So for that you need to take time. And how will you take time if you are bothered by your job so much so that you are irritated all the time, and you are not able to focus into your this job? Then how can you take out time for another of your hobby or something you like? Like, my own hobby is digital marketing, right? So I have learned this skills of Facebook ad campaign. I have learned copywriting. I have learned how to design sales funnels. That is the requirement the whole world looks for. Everywhere you go, everybody is talking about marketing, about the skills. Everybody, whoever has whatever skills, they can teach it to another person. So everybody is doing that. This is the digital world. So those skills one can learn. So you have to take time, right? So you have to shift your focus, you have to shift your attitude, a little tweak in your perception, a little tweak in your habit, action, whatever, and then it allows you to create time for yourself, for something else. So that is what this course is about, and hope that you will start trying that little focus to adopt. If you can let me know as to which is the problem that you are having right now, and you are not able to handle it all by yourself, then we can discuss that problem and put on a track. What I will suggest is, first, write down the problem that you are having and the solution thereof. In the process of writing down, you will get a solution yourself. If not, if not, then a discussion with me will help you out, right? And that will be the immediate solution for a particular problem. But the problem will again arise. Something else will come up in your life. Unless you learn the trick, unless you learn the gift, unless you have your lesson learned in this particular problem. So that needs practice. That is where performance optimization. If you see my profile, it is written out there what all I teach you, and it is a lifelong support. So I am learning and I will be teaching. I will be helping you out of this whatever problem you have, and at the similar time, actually it will be enrichment of our courses, because whatever I learned, I'll incorporate that into the course, and it goes back as a learning to you, right? So yeah, so this is what, try a little lesson, try out small, and of course start learning right now. Thank you.